Hey everybody, today we're in a 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum and I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth connect your smartphone with the Sync 3 system. Today we're using an Apple iPhone 7. If you have a different Apple device, it's a very similar process. If you have a different sync system, we've got a video for that. So click on the link in the top right corner. First thing I'm going to do is go into Settings, Bluetooth, and wait, I'm going to click on Audio because I want to play my tunes. So Sources, Bluetooth Stereo, Add a device. Add a Bluetooth device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
We're in a Ford F-150, so I'm going to click on that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And it does. I'm going to allow contacts.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Download contacts and finish. Now, I was excited to play my music, so I'm going to click on Audio again, Sources, my iPhone 7, or whatever your phone is named, and turn up the music. Although I was most excited to play my music, one of my favorite things is the ability to talk and text hands-free. With an iPhone, you're going to have to click on Information and then Show Notifications. But now, I can put the phone down and let the car do the rest. Hey, we got a text, and we can even listen to it.
What's up?
I hope this Island 4 tutorial helps, and thanks for watching.